Hello guys, welcome to today's first bed unboxing. We have KREIS Satan. And it is beat up packaging, but as you can see, it is the KREIS Satan layer, the 2-disc, the glaive flame, or frame, as the translation is a little bit rough, and loop driver. So we're gonna unbox it. Let's get my knife. I'm gonna use a small knife. Let's open it up from the side. Got a little bit beat up in shipping, but it should still all be in here. Got the small launcher. Man, you gotta love the ripcords. I forgot to put that away. But it looks official. We got the stickers. We got the disc and frame, 2-disc, which we also have on our ball cache of Hasbro. But this is a little bit heavier. I don't have a full weight thing, but I will be doing a full weight series, I think, of each Beyblade in the future. I don't have any scale for it. It's taped in pretty good. Also, yes, this is our first Hasbro launch, not Hasbro, Scaretoni launcher. That's going to go in a memory board. We're probably not going to use it, but it's going to be going in on a memory thing. Anyway, let's go ahead and get this out. Get the tape. Oh, okay, we're just going to open it then. Okay, here's the Satum layer without any stickers. Nice, pretty. All the tiny circle here. Ah, now that looks cool. Should be able to pop out the chip. We got layer chip somehow. But I'll figure out how to do that later. Probably off camera. Let's go ahead and get out the disc and its frame. It says flame on the packaging, but that's just the translation they got. It's a flame or a frame. We have the white glaive Hasbro version on our Blast Genius. Oh, that's a tough frame right there. That's feeling good. Oh, that is a really good metal feeling right there. We're gonna put it up against small cache almost immediately, or Fafnir, because of our God Series bays. So let's go ahead and put on the frame again. Let's go ahead and get the launcher and wheel. Disc, the loop driver. That's what it is. Okay, we got the loop driver because it has wheels on it that spin, which is pretty cool. Not gonna lie, because as it gets off, it hits its wheels and it spins. Okay, let's go ahead and get out the launcher as well, because that is gonna be cool. I'm not going to test it with stickers on yet. I don't want to put them on just yet. I will put them on, but just not yet. I want to see how it looks without the stickers first. Oh, the satisfying click. No noticeable wear because of that good quality plastic, unlike Pro Series. And let's go ahead and get the launcher. Let's see. We want to spin right. Oh yeah, they make it so you can only put it in a specific way. Yeah, that's correct. Just testing it. Oh, that's beautiful. KREIS Satan, everyone. Great Beyblade. Oh, I just lost the launcher. We will be right back. Anyway, let's go ahead and throw that out. we're gonna put on the stickers. Probably in just a second. But first, I'm not gonna put in a stadium yet. We're gonna put on the stickers. I'm gonna go get some tweezers. Probably, if I can't put them on, probably need some tweezers. Do I have any tweezers? Where's my multi-tool? Hold on a second, let me get into my dresser. I think I left my multi-tool in here. Not, I'm gonna have to put a rain check and put on stickers. Where is it? We'll be right back. We'll be right back. Well, I just got back. I can't find any tweezers. I don't want to risk it. So we'll be right back for part 2 in the second upload. This will be part 1 of the upload. So right here we have our KREIS Satan layer without the stickers. Here's the stickers. We'll be putting them on in the next video, which should come out just after this one. And we'll do some test launches and first battles in the next one against Hasbro, of course, that's all we have. But we'll do some test launches and battles. But otherwise, we have finally got ourselves a Takara Tomy Beyblade, which is great news. I'm just glad the weathering proved good for the packaging. Comes with the layer and launcher. And we'll open up the thing later. But anyway, that will be it. And like, subscribe, and hit notifications so you never miss another upload. And thank you.